Just when you think you want to eat fried rice and now you don't have all it takes to make fried rice, so let's see if you would like to give something like this a try. Hello sweet team, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. On a clean pot, I will add in coconut oil and 5 eggs. I will just let this to fry for just 1 minute. Just screw with your spoon so that the egg will not get burnt. Just 1 minute later, I have to take it out from the pan. Then I have to add in another oil. Then now I will add in chopped onions. Just let this to fry for just 1 second. So over here I have all-purpose seasoning. I will just add it inside the onions, then stir. Before that, I will be adding black pepper. I have black pepper here. Just add a little bit of it. I will stir together. Just fry this for 2 seconds. Before now, I have leftover rice. So after eating all this stew, we used to cook the rice and the rice remained. So I don't know what to do with the rice. Instead of me to just let the rice to go, I said no, let me try this with this rice. So here is the rice. I just add it on top of this onions and pepper that I'm frying. Then I will just stir everything together. Trust me guys, after doing this I was even wondering, is this the same rice I'm seeing since here? So everybody wants to eat this rice now, but since nobody wants to near this rice, but after making this rice like this, everybody wants to eat. So now I will just add in some dark soy sauce and leftover beans. I have these beans in my freezer for long, so I don't know what to do with it. I just have to add it on this recipe. And here I have some chopped carrot. Then I will still add it and stir together. Big shout out to you, Auntie Ify. I'm so grateful. I see all your support. Thank you so much for supporting us with your amazing star. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Auntie Ify. God bless you, ma. So guys, if you haven't supported us with your star, please, you have to support us with this star. We just get this page monetized and we need star to boost this channel out. So guys, keep supporting your baby girl. I'm so grateful. Over here I have red bell pepper, just a little bit of it. I will just add it, then stir together. This is all the veggies I have right now. If you have any other veggies and you think you want to add it on this recipe, you are free to add. For me, this is what I just have. I want to eat fried rice because this is just on my neck, and that rice I don't want to just go like that because with no stew, nothing to just eat it. So I have to get this done, and trust me, I just love the outcome. Now I just add in the fried egg and we stir everything together. Just as simple like this, your fried rice is ready. What are you waiting for? Did you have leftover rice and now you want to throw it out, or you don't want to eat it anymore? No, just gather all your veggies you have in your fridge, get this done and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all your effort. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to share. I appreciate your share, I appreciate your like, I appreciate your comment. Everything you do there is amazing. Keep it up and God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.